Hello everybody, jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video, and in today's video we're going to be talking about one of the newly announced accessories from Samsung, and it's called the Wireless Charger Duo. Now the thing I like the most about this accessory is not only just the simple fact of charging your watch and cell phone at the exact same time, but let's say that your watch is already sitting at 100%, it's looking good, you're not wasting the space on the right hand side of the Wireless Charger Duo because you're able to charge a second device. And yes, both of them will be charged at the fast wireless charging rate. So let's get a closer look so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Now on the left hand side of the box you will see two different images, the two cell phones as well as the watch and cell phone. And yes, both of these will go at that fast wireless charging rate. Now this one was purchased over at T-Mobile and the price is $119. Now I don't have a link for this just yet that is linking you to Amazon, but the moment this thing launches on Amazon I will place a link below the video. You guys are able to click it and it'll take you directly there. Now on the right hand side of the box is just talking about everything we already talked about, which is two cell phones or a cell phone and a watch. It is the QI or Qi enabled, and it is the fast charge compatible. Now on the very back hand side, some of these selling features is that you are able to use the stand functionally to read notification or watch videos while powering up. Now that is one of the main things I love about the stand-up wireless charging stand, is because it's able to stand up, you're able to look at it, read text messages and everything else without having to also try to position it correctly on those little pucks. Now if you buy a little puck, you have to try to fit it somewhere so it's actually charging correctly. But with a stand, you place it on there, it's already lined up correctly and it's charging. So now let's take it out and let's get it tested. Now inside the packaging you will see a little box, and then here is the stand. Now once you've taken off the plastic, this thing is ready to use. Once you plug it in on the very back, which this one is the USB Type-C, and you do have a cooling system that runs from the back as well as the right hand side. Now inside this box you will see your quick start guide as well as the USB Type-C charging cable, and then a larger power brick that has a larger input and output. Now when you get a closer look you will see that this one is substantially larger, and it's just because the input and output is increased. Now the regular standard wall mount over here does have two different outputs, which is 9 volt as well as the 5 volt. This one has those two when you are only charging one device at the same time, but the output of 12 volt at the 2.1 amps is added to give that additional charge to that second device. Now once you have this plugged in, you will be greeted with three different lights. It goes from red to green to orange, letting you know that you're ready to go. Now because there is also two LED lights, it is letting you know on what is being charged or not. So right over here with the cell phone being placed on there, you do see that red icon letting you know it is being charged, and it'll turn green once it's fully complete. And then on the right hand side, this is where you're able to place your smartwatch there. And again, it has to be a smartwatch that is the Gear S3 or after. And then when you know for a fact you are charging, your second LED light will be placed on. So now let's say you take a peek at your phone and it does still say that it's doing a fast wireless charge. And then this LED over here just turned green, letting you know that your watch is at 100%. So once you move this over, you will notice over here, this one is a little bit of a concave area. That is the spot that it's charging your watch. And then on the outer ring right here, this is what's able to charge the secondary phone. Now the only thing about placing a phone onto a flat area for wireless charging is you want to make sure that it is aligned properly. So if you place your phone over here and for some reason you don't really see that little light is popping up, you just want to make sure that you're placing it there correctly, which again is one of the main selling points of having a stand, because once you place it, it's there to charge. And then over here, this one is stating that it is doing the fast wireless charging, and so is this phone over here, which is just a fantastic idea to not only have a watch as well as a cell phone, but have two cell phones, because at some point your watch has a smaller battery and it's already going to be fully charged. And just also for show, you are able to place this one as a horizontal mode as well. So in this way, if you are watching YouTube and you want to charge at the same time, you're able to watch YouTube as well as get this thing charged. Now, the one thing I've noticed while doing this review is that when you have one product that is sitting on the stand, there is no hum, there is no sound coming from the little fans. But when you have your secondary device on there, there will be a small little hum that will come from the cooling system. So I hope that you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Also, if you're new here and you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family and social media sites so everybody can check out this brand new accessory that comes out from Samsung. And outside of that, I'll see you guys later.